Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Pixel supports USB-C video output. This is the key why. Without alt mode, you need a wireless option. Next, pick a cable or adapter that matches your monitor. USB-C to USB-C for direct connection, or USB-C to HDMI when the display lacks USB-C. Make sure the adapter supports the resolution you want, and once done, plug the cable into your Pixel with the screen unlocked so the device negotiates the connection immediately. Once the physical link is live, make sure the monitor is on the correct input, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, and then interact with the Pixel. Open Settings, go to Connected Devices or Display, and look for casting or HDMI output options because Android negotiates resolution and orientation. This explains why adjustments may be needed. If you want landscape mode or 1080p, change resolution and rotation on the phone, and check the monitor OSD control. To finish, confirm audio is routed where you expect. Select monitor speakers or keep sound on the Pixel in settings, because HDMI/USB-C can carry audio and it changes automatically. If nothing appears, try a different cable or a known good adapter. Powered USB-C hubs can solve insufficient power or handshake issues. Restart both devices and make sure your Pixel's OS is up to date. If problems persist, test the monitor with another device to isolate whether the phone or display is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.